Hello, welcome back to Popo Art. Let's make a poster today using Canva. In my previous video, I have explained how to make a poster using Canva templates. And today I am going to explain how to make a poster from scratch using Canva without using any templates. Click on Create a Blank Poster. Go to Elements and choose a shape. Make it wider, covering the page. Change the color from the Edit option. You can choose a suitable color going well with the theme. I am thinking about selecting a baby pink. If you go to Transparency on the left side of the Edit bar, you can change the color opacity. On Shapes, choose a suitable shape and add it to the page. Drag its corner and give it a preferred size with the overall design. Change the color on Edits. Go to Transparency and reduce the opacity. I am making a really simple poster. And for this, I am only going to use Canva given material. Anyone can make this. Go to Elements, search for ribbon border and choose a suitable one. Don't give too many materials or a variety of colors. Just keep it simple for now. I am thinking about adding some hearts. Let's see if there's a good one. Let's choose this little one. After this, I am going to add the text. Choose subheading. If you want a large size, you can choose add a heading, not a subheading. Type the main text. It should be what you want to express through this poster. Make it clean and short. I am making a Valentine's poster. So these are some good words I can write for the main heading. Go to Font Options and choose a suitable font for the heading. We can see which is more suitable by trying different options and selecting a better one finally. You don't have to rush things. Take your time to select what you want. Then change the font color. Go to Elements and search for a heart pattern. Select one and add it to the design. Choose one which is not too bright and too expressive. Right-click on the selected layer and choose the Layer option, and then choose Send to Back. On Elements, search for heart again. Let's look for one which is a little dark colored, because all other colors on the design are a little light. Using a darker color will highlight it. Drag the design and place it under the text. When we watch posters and designs on social media, or anywhere else, somebody who is not from designing background will always think it is not possible for me to make it. But apps like Canva and other creative apps give us so much easier platform to make it with not much difficulty. There is always a way for anyone. We just need to push ourselves for the first steps. This video can be your first step. Now looking at the design, I think I want to change the text color. Let's make it a little darker. Now it's time for downloading the design. Go to Share and click on Download. Now you can easily make posters or cards by yourself. If you like the video, give me a like, subscribe for more videos.